Welcome back to another episode of Star Sweets. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make no-spread sugar cookies. So if you're interested, keep watching.
Flavors can't be beat, and when the scent of cake and cookies fills the air, you know you're in a place that truly cares. On the Star Channel, we'll sing our hearts out loud. We'll share tales of wonder and make you feel proud. With every craft we try, a masterpiece will appear. So join us on this journey and let your dreams steer. Let your dreams steer.
So we're going to start by sifting our dry ingredients. So we're going to start by adding our flour, and cornstarch. Then we're going to shift everything together. And add our salt and mix everything up. The full measurements for all the ingredients I'll be using will be in the description down below, so please make sure to check out the description. In a separate bowl with a hand mixer, we're going to begin to beat our butter and sugar. You can find this hand mixer in the description down below. I'll link to the hand mixer that I'm using in the description down below. But we're going to start by creaming our butter, and then we'll add our sugar. Don't forget to scrape your bowl to make sure that everything is being mixed properly. And remember, full measurements for all the ingredients I'll be using will be down in the description below. Now it's time to add our eggs and vanilla. So I always like to crack my eggs into a separate bowl before adding them in. Now that the eggs are well incorporated, we can add in our vanilla extract. Don't forget to scrape your bowl to make sure everything is being mixed in properly. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients, which was our flour and cornstarch and salt mixture, to our wet ingredients. So you're going to add your flour little by little, mixing as you go until all the flour is incorporated. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and give this video a thumbs up, as your support means a lot to me. Now that all our flour has been added, we're going to start to bring the dough together. Now we're gonna dust a clean surface with flour and transfer our dough there and continue to start to bring it together. Yeah, we'll continue to knead the dough, and if you need, you can also add more water or flour until the dough comes together. So we're gonna split the dough into two and knead it a little before we wrap it up. Now that our dough has been wrapped, we're gonna chill this in the fridge for 30 minutes. You could also leave it in the fridge overnight and roll it out the next day. While our dough is chilling, we're going to line our pans with parchment paper. You can also preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit at this time. Now that our dough is chilled, we're going to bring one of the doughs out. You can leave the remaining dough in the fridge until you're done with this dough. We're going to work with one piece of dough at a time. And you're going to sprinkle your surface with flour. Sprinkle the dough with flour, even your rolling pan. As you can see, my cookie cutter is with the flour because you don't want anything to stick. And then we're going to start to roll out our dough and cut our dough. You can roll this dough as thick or thin as you would like, and I'll just be showing you how thick or thin I roll mine. I usually like to keep mine like in between, so it's not too thin, not too thick, because I like a crispy cookie, but at the same time I don't want my cookies to get burnt easily. I'll link the cookie cutter I'm using in the description below. It's actually part of a set that has different shapes and sizes, so you can also use this cookie cutter set for like things like donut or meat pies, whatever you like to use it for. Once you're able to cut as many cookies as you can, you're gonna start to peel away the dough. And you're gonna put those cookies I cut out into the pan with the parchment paper, and then the dough that you're peeling off, you're gonna put it back together, roll it out to make as much cookies as you would like. If you would like to see more videos like this, you would like to see more Star Sweets videos, please make sure to check the link in the top right corner of your screen. You can also check the link in my description. I'll also be linking to this playlist where I bake tons of other stuff like cupcakes, more different types of cookies, brownies. You can check it out, and I'll continue to make more videos as you guys continue to support me. So please make sure to check out the Star Sweets videos playlist. I have a lot of videos there that you guys can check out if you're looking for other things to bake. So we're gonna bake these cookies now at 375 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, making sure to rotate the pan halfway until the bottoms are golden brown. And then you can place them on a tray to cool down completely. Now you can choose to ice your cookies if you would like, but I actually like to enjoy them plain. So as you can see, I'm cutting into it, they're nice and crispy, just as they should be. So if you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure to share this with somebody. I'll see you guys in the next video.
On this journey and let your dreams steer. What your dreams steer.